Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a voting button, the option, to Outlook emails. If you want to collect quick feedback from the people you email, Outlook's voting buttons can be a very convenient tool. Instead of asking recipients to type out a reply, you can add a built-in voting option directly to your message. This is especially useful for simple decisions like choosing between yes or no, approving an idea, or getting a fast response from a group. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to access that feature in Outlook Classic and add it to a new email. To begin, open the Outlook Classic app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version of Outlook, since the location of this feature can vary depending on the version you're using. Once Outlook is open and fully loaded, you'll be ready to create the email where the voting option will be added. Next, go to the upper left area of the Outlook window and click New Email. This opens a fresh message window where you can compose the email you want to send. At this point, you can also begin filling in your recipient, subject line, and message if you'd like, although the main focus here is adding the voting option itself. With the new email window open, look toward the top of the message and click Options. This tab contains additional settings for your email, including tools that affect tracking, delivery, and responses. If you don't usually work in this section, take your time locating it. It appears along the top ribbon of the Compose window. After that, click Add Voting Buttons. This is the setting that allows you to include response choices with your email. Once selected, Outlook will attach voting options to the message so recipients can respond more easily. This can help keep replies organized and save time when you need straightforward feedback from multiple people. Before sending, it's a good idea to quickly review your message to make sure the email content matches the type of vote you're requesting. Clear wording helps recipients understand what they're being asked to choose. Then, once everything looks right, your email is ready to go. That's all it takes to add a voting button or voting option to an Outlook email. As you can see, the process is simple once you know where to find it in the Outlook Classic app. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you streamline your email responses.